For 2 years, we've been rated number one, easy to use software. Then we've had a choice whether we continue to rest on our success, which people have given to us, or completely relaunch of what's coming next. We chose to relaunch our V2 editor.
It didn't make sense to change what works, right? But for us, pressing on it wasn't an option because we are expanding to serve up-market teams. We have some great logos coming in. We needed a product that scales with that, right?
We are building a lot of capabilities and features today and a lot of product lines. So it was good for us to reset some things and make this even more simpler in a scalable way.
So the main promise for Storylane is that we help customers create a demo in 2 minutes, killer demo, right? But there are so many wonderful features that were hidden. So what we had in mind is to make the tool more of an environment for storytelling. Good design is a design that is vanishing in the background and your own work becomes the centerpiece. The demo has to be a centerpiece. So this was the main idea, is to create a neutral background that is filled with instruments to make your demo in the obvious places, easy to find, easy to use, and make that demo in 2 minutes.
Maybe the most important part is our customers, they rely on Storylane. They rely on our demos to show what their products do. So when prospects see a demo, it's not just the Storylane on display, it's their brand. That means that our product has to be top-notch at all times. It needs to be trendy and modern to follow what's currently up there.
Version 2 of editor, it's just not a reskinning, but it's a relaunch with the foundations of how the editor needs to look, plus how we are continuing to shape our products itself. So it's building for the future.